Okay, number 10 looks scary, but same exact steps we've done before. A couple of things to remember. So over here, I had the option to try to simplify these first. So I want you to just make sure you know why can I do that? Why could I try to simplify these? Because this is a monomial. Mono means one term, right? I have no addition and subtraction. When I look over here, though, I have a lot more happening. So I need to be really careful here. I cannot divide 4 by 2. Cannot do k squared divided by k squared. I cannot do k squared divided by k squared. Why can I not do that? Over here, I was able to do 3 divided by 6, right? The reason why is this is just multiplication. Division cancels out multiplication. But over here, the 4 is not being multiplied by the 12. The 4k squared is being subtracted and added to the 12k, so I cannot divide this out. So I've got a few more steps I need to think about here. All right, so let's just take it step by step. Just like over here, I'm going to simplify first. But instead of simplifying top to bottom, let's just focus on the top and then focus on the bottom and see if anything cancels out. So let's focus on the numerator first. 4k squared minus 12k plus 9. So, this is annoying because I can't factor easily with the 4 in front. So can I take out a GCF? 4, 12, and 9. Nope, they don't have anything in common. So I am forced to slide to the right. Oops, that is not showing up. So I slide that 4 to the right, and then I multiply those together. So if you are struggling with the factoring here, please email your teacher, and we will give you some extra practice. All right, that's going to give me my new numerator of 36 in the top here. Now I'm going to go ahead and keep factoring this down. So I've got k squared minus 12k plus 36. Let's see, how do I factor this down? K times k. And that is going to be 36. So what two things multiply to give me 36? 6 and 6. So negative 6 and negative 6. Why did I make both of them negative? Negative times a negative is positive 36. Negative 6 plus negative 6 is negative 12. But I'm not quite done because if I slid that 4 to the right, I have to remember to divide both of these by 4. Okay, and then I'm going to simplify this. So 6 divided by 4 reduces down to 3 over 2, k minus 3 over 2, and k minus 3 over 2. And I can leave my factors like this, or I can bottoms up. I can rewrite it this way as well. So 2k minus 3 times 2k minus 3. All right, that numerator is done. So I'm going to just kind of mark this in a color here so that I know the numerator. This numerator has now become this right here. Okay, so this has now simplified down to this one here. All right, now let's go ahead and do the denominator. So similarly here, let's go ahead and break this one down. Same thing here, 2, 19, and 33, no GCF. I gave you guys some really fun ones to start with here. So just a little bit more work. I got to slide this to the right again. So that's going to give me k squared, and then 19k is going to stay. And then I do 33 times 2, which is 66, minus 66. And now I can factor the denominator down here. So I'm going to keep going with this, k times k. All right, what multiplies to give me, I'm 66. I'm going to go with 22 and 3 here. So I want to do positive 22. And negative 3. So I'm going to pause here for a second. So 22 times negative 3 gives me negative 66. So that checks out. 22 minus 3 gives me positive 19. Remember, the bigger number takes the sign of the middle term. All right, but I'm not done because if I slid that 2 to the right, I have to remember to divide by 2 here. And that's going to give me k plus 11 and 2k minus 3 on the denominator. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this just as one fraction to keep it simple. So I now have 2k minus 3, 2k minus 3, put these around that, over k plus 11 and 2k minus 3. Okay, you guys probably already noticed that something's going to cancel, but I am going to keep going just to keep this consistent. All right, let's move over here to this fraction. All right, so I'm going to bring down my multiplication sign. I'm going to break this down much easier because I don't have these leading coefficients, so this should be a much quicker process. So k times k. What multiplies to give me 33? Well, I should immediately be thinking 11, right? Because that's a multiple of 11. So 11 and 3 will work. I'm going to do positive 11 and negative 3. Once again, if you need some help with factoring, let us know. Nothing to divide because I didn't slide anything. And in the denominator, I'm going to check for my GCF. K goes out in front. And K minus 3 goes in the back. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and just bring this down so that we just have one expression over here. So that's going to be times K plus 11, K minus 3, over K times K minus 3. Now I'm at the fun part. I can just see what cancels out, what's on the top and the bottom. Well, I already know I've got 2K minus 3, 2K minus 3. Check. I've got K minus 3, K minus 3. And, sorry, this is a parenthesis. And I have K plus 11 and K plus 11. Awesome. So now I'm left with 2K minus 3 over K. And I want you to pause here for a quick second. Can I cancel out these K's? Because you're going to be really tempted to do that. No, you cannot. The reason you cannot is because of this subtracting 3 here. Division, canceling means division. Division only cancels out multiplication. The problem is this 2K is not being multiplied. It's being added and subtracted. So I cannot do this unless I have another K over here. So I just want you to pause there because you're going to be really tempted when you're in a hurry to cancel out those Ks. So let's go to our answer choices and check. I'm looking for 2K minus 3 over K. Bam, answer choice A. Amazing. You just got 10 points on your SAT. All right, for more practice, go to Khan Academy and choose the simplifying rational expressions. Good luck.